So there was a lot of interest, you guys, on the digital kettle sign that we had out there. They're retailing for $14.99. I take orders starting next week. No, I'm kidding. This is a complete do-it-yourself project. I've done it once before. This is the newest, latest version, I guess, of this. And just based on a regular tripod stand, you can do it yourself. Use a TV or a computer monitor. The slimmer, the better for the weight. You need the screen itself, and then you'll see that you'll purchase a mount. This is just a basic mount for any circular tubing, and attaches to the monitor to the stand itself. So it's not resting on the old pegs that the normal sign would stand on. You can tell the difference in size. That'll hold up the monitor. I've added a surge protector here for plugging the things into it, both the TV and where the video is coming from. I use this nice little, more weatherproof version, though it's not really weatherproof, just looks more like it, I guess. Secured the cables down the back. You can go ahead and spray paint that when you're done, which is what I was probably going to do. But the trick that makes this run is having a digital sign player. There's lots of these out there, and they range in size and cost. You can get some that are the size of your Amazon Fire. It's called a Chrome bit, very small unit. But I found that it didn't work very well. So I moved up to the Chrome box. This is a Chrome box by Asus, however you pronounce it. And it's basically running an app from a vendor. You just plug it in with power, plug it in with HDMI, and that's it. Plugged up to the TV. The app, the nice thing about using the app and the Chrome there is that as soon as it powers on or off, it goes straight to showing this. It can't do anything else. It's locked, it's password protected, it's a protected mode type of deal. And it will automatically start the display. And if it's got the whole show already downloaded, it will just start playing. If you change it, you'll need to make sure that you bring this back to where you have Wi-Fi so it can get the latest changes to the program. This one here is set up with screen.cloud. If you type in your browser screen.cloud, it's their oldest package that they had available. Very simple to use. The interface is intuitive, and I got it for that reason. I wanted people who aren't really good with tech to be able to add things to the show, delete things from the show, and make it do what they wanted it to do. So screen.cloud, you pay per screen, if you will, per each one of these that you'll end up using, although they will sell you this, but you can get it anywhere. But for each app that you're showing on the screen, they charge you per month fee for that. Now, the rest of the year, this unit would sit on the wall in our social service office, and it delivers information from the community to those who are coming to seek services. So it gets used year-round if you do it that way. So I don't mind paying a fee for that. It is possible to do it yourself and hand do all of this. It just takes more work. There are some of these that are available. There's some blue boxes. I'm trying to think of the name for those units. But it runs on an SD card instead. So you can just load your show from your laptop onto the SD card, place the SD card into the media player, and that's how you would update the system. But again, you have to do that for each one that you have versus this one, which would be Wi-Fi. And it pushes it out via Wi-Fi. So if I had multiple of these, I change it once, and it would update them all. So that's the power of using the actual media player screen.cloud. But anyway, just some information. People want to know how to do it. This is how you do it.